Good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are fine at your home. Please stay safe, healthy, and stay tuned. Okay, today I am going through the part 1 video of unit 2 of class 2, and that is numbers. Okay, when I have told this the numbers for the first time in this video, I think you are getting in your mind what is the number means. Okay, number भनेको तिमीलाई थाहा छ होला, just 0 1 2 3 4 5 6, isn't it? So that is the numbers. But also I am giving here a short description, short explanation about the numbers. Number भनेको के हो त? Okay, they are the string of digits. String means डोरी अथवा लहरा. Okay, digits means अङ्कहरू. Number means digits अङ्कहरूको चाहिँ लहरा. Okay, which helps to identify the magnitude or measure the size, how big or small a quantity is. Numbers ले गर्दा नै हामीले सबले मात्रा कति, कुनै पनि वस्तुको मात्रा कति छ त, कति छ, थोरै छ कि धेरै छ, अथवा कुनै पनि वस्तु ठुलो छ कि सानो छ, अथवा कतिले ठुलो छ अथवा कतिले सानो छ, अथवा कुनै पनि वस्तु कति मात्रा छ त, एउटा छ कि दुईटा छ कि तीनटा छ कि चारवटा छ. सो त्यो कुनै पनि क्वान्टिटी, कुनै पनि वस्तुको मात्रा जनाउनको लागि चाहिँ हामीले प्रयोग गर्ने भनेको हामीले के हो त, नम्बर्स हो. फर इक्जाम्पल आई हेभ गिभन हियर 0 1 2 3 एन्ड सो अन. नम्बर्स, ओके, नम्बर इज नट फिक्स. नम्बर्स नेभर इन्ड्स. कहिले पनि नम्बर खतम हुँदैन. ओके, इट इज इन्फाइनाइट इन नम्बर. ओके, सो दिस इज द इन्ट्रोडक्सन अफ नम्बर्स. आई होप यु हेभ अन्डरस्टुड. ओके, under this topic, okay, we will learn how to count and writing the number 100 through the 199. Is when you were in a class 1, जब तिमी class 1 मा थियौ त्यतिखेर, okay, your teacher had taught you how to count and write from 1 to 99, isn't it? But in class 2 you will get opportunity to count and write 100 through the 199 at first. Okay, first मा चाहिँ हामीले के पढ्छौँ, counting and writing 100 through the 199. 100 देखि 199 सम्म कसरी काउन्ट गर्ने र कसरी लेख्ने भन्ने कुरा हामीले चाहिँ यहाँ पढ्छौँ. Now here I have drawn the picture, isn't it? Look here. In this picture there are altogether 100 boxes. If you will count this, okay, यसमा यदि तिमीले काउन्ट गर्यो भने त्यहाँ अल टुगेदर कतिवटा हुन्छ बक्स, 100 बक्स, 100 बक्स. सो द्याट्स वाइ आई हेभ रिटेन हियर 100. त्यही भएर मैले यहाँ 100 लेखेको छु. आफ्टर द्याट लुक हियर इन दिस वान, ओके, इन दिस सिंगल फिगर, इफ यु विल काउन्ट द बक्स देन देयर विल बी अल टुगेदर 10. There will be altogether 10 boxes. You can count also, okay? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. In this type of figure there will be altogether 100 box, okay? यस्तो टाइपको फिगरमा तिमीले चाहिँ गिन्दा फेरि 100 वटा तिमीले स्क्वायर भेटाउन सक्छौ. And if you will see this type of figure, then there will be altogether 10 box, okay? There will be altogether 10 square, okay? So here is 10 square in this type of figure. Likewise, if you will see this type of figure, then you can easily count. यस्तो figure देख्यो भने चाहिँ तिमीले easily count गर्न सक्छौ. Okay, look here, 1 2 3 4, and look here, okay, it is written as ones. This type of figure is written as tens, and this type of figure is written or compared to 100. Okay, here altogether in this figure, in this whole, okay, in this whole figure, look here, this type of figure is only of 1. Okay, यस्तो figure चाहिँ यहाँ कतिवटा छ, एउटा मात्र छ. So that's why I have written here, as you know that here is altogether 100 box, 100 square, isn't it? So I have written already 100. And यस्तो figure चाहिँ कतिवटा छ त, 1 छ. So that's why I have written here 1. So 100. Likewise, this altogether there are 10 box, 10 square in this type of figure, isn't it? So I have written here tens. But look here, this type of figure are of here 2 in number. Okay, यहाँ चाहिँ यस्तो figure चाहिँ कतिवटा छ, 1 2, कतिवटा छ, 1 2. So that's why before tens I have written here 2. दुईटा फिगर भएको हुनाले चाहिँ यहाँ मैले के लेखेको छु, 2 लेखेको छु. After that, okay, this type of figure 1 square is ones, okay, it is compared to a ones, but it is written as ones. Look here, all together there are 1 2 3 4, okay, there are all together 4 square. And why I have written this figure as ones? Because all the numbers below the 10, all the numbers below the 10, they are called the ones. जति पनि तिम्रो 10 भन्दा तलको नम्बर छ 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 सिंगल नम्बरलाई जहिले पनि के भन्ने हामीले ones भन्ने. So that's why I have written here ones. And how many ones are there? 1 2 3 4. So here is 4, okay, so here is 4, sorry, so here is 1 2 4. So at last what you have to write? 1 2 4, or you can say 124. Now another example, okay, that by this you will become more clear how to count and write the 100 through the 199. So first of all, I have given you, I have told, I have explained, I have taught you how to write, how to count, isn't it? So I have given the one more example by which you become more clear. You example what the timi ajai clear huncha. Look here, as I have taught you, as I have told you earlier, तिमीलाई मैले पहिले भनिसकेको छु, यस्तो फिगर आयो भने चाहिँ तिम्रो के हुन्छ, all together there are 100 square, all together there are 100 square and 100 box. So say me that how many, okay, how many are of this 100 figure? So 100 box भएको फिगर कतिवटा छ त? Obviously only one. तिमीले यहाँ देख्न सक्छौ एउटा मात्र फिगर छ 100 वाला, okay, 100 box भएको फिगर यहाँ कतिवटा छ? एउटा मात्र छ. So that's why you will write here only one in this box, okay. After that, if you will see this type of figure, यस्तो फिगर देख्यो भने तिमीलाई मैले के भनेको थिए, there will be altogether 10 square. There will be altogether 10 square in this figure. And now tell me how many are of this type of figure are here? कतिवटा यो 10 वटा बक्स भएको फिगर छ त यहाँ? Let's count with me, okay? ल count गरौँ. 1 2 3 4 5. So there are altogether 5. There are altogether 5 tens, okay? At last, okay, look here, you can count it easily. And if you will see this type of figure, okay, then what? It is compared to a ones. So जहिले पनि केसँग तुलना गर्ने? One सँग. So let's count it with me, okay? Let's count 1 2 3 4 5. So how many ones are there? 5 ones are there. So look here, 1 5 5. At last what you have to write? 1 5 5, isn't it? So this is the way to count and write 100 through the 199. Okay, now this is the second topic, okay, counting and writing 200 through the 399. It is also similar to the first topic, as I have taught you, the counting and writing 100 through the 119. जुन मैले यो भन्दा अगाडि जुन गराए यो पनि त्यस्तै हो, but it is little bit different, okay. I will say how, कसरी counting and writing 200 through 399. Now as I have taught you, as I have told you, as I have given the information that if you will see this type of figure, यदि तिमीहरूले, यदि हजुरहरूले यस्तो टाइपको फिगर देख्नुहुन्छ भने यसमा कतिवटा स्क्वायर हुन्छ, okay, without any confusion, okay, without any confusion, you must remember that in this type of figure there is 100 square. त्यहाँ के हुन्छ? 100 वटा स्क्वायर हुन्छ, okay. Now and if you will see this type of figure, then there will be altogether 10 square. And if you will see this type of figure, then you can count by yourself because it is very less in number. Look, 1 2 3 4 5 6, isn't it? It is possible, but it is quite hard to count this. So I have already told you that if you will see this type of figure, then there will be altogether 100 square. And if you will see this type of figure, then there will be altogether 10. And if you will see this type of figure, then you can count by yourself, okay. Now let's count and write, okay. So look here, in this whole figure, okay, in look here, how many figure out of 100? So 100 square भएको अथवा okay यस्तो फिगर चाहिँ कतिवटा देख्न सक्छौ तिमीले? Obviously you can see 1 2 altogether there are 2 figure of 100. So 100 square भएको फिगर चाहिँ कतिवटा छ यहाँ? Obviously 1 2. So you have to write here 2. Now let's go towards this. Okay, so this is of tens figure, isn't it? This is of tens figure. Now tell me that how many out of tens figure? कतिवटा चाहिँ tens figure छ त? Obviously let's count. Okay, let's count with me. 1 2 3. How many? 1 2 3. So there are altogether 3 tens figure. Likewise at class there is a ones figure, isn't it? Let's count. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Let's count it again. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So there are altogether 6 ones. So what do you have to write at class in this box? 2 3 6. 2 3 6. Now I have given you one more example to make you more clear about how to count and write 200 through the 399. If you will do this also, then you will become more clear. अझै तिमीहरु सबै क्लियर हुन्छ यो फिगर गर्यो भने, यो सल्भ गर्यो भने क्वेशन. Okay, now look here, I will repeat this sentence again. Okay, this, if you will see this type of figure, then there will be altogether 100 square. यस्तो फिगर देख्यौ भने त्यहाँ के हुन्छ? Altogether 100 square हुन्छ. If you will see this type of figure, then there will be altogether 10 square. And if you will see this type of figure, then you have to count for this, isn't it? So like that. So let's count. Look here, how many figure out of 100? So 100 or a square भएको figure चाहिँ कतिवटा छ त? Obviously let's count. Okay, 1 2 3. Let's count again. 1 2 3. So you have to write here 3. You have to write here 3. Likewise, how many out of tens figure? How many out of tens figure? Tens figure कतिवटा छ त यहाँ? 1 2 3 4. Let's count it again. 1 2 3 4. So you have to write here 4. At last there is a ones figure. Okay, you have to count. Let's count with me. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So here is 7. So at last what you have to write? You have to write the number that you have written in the bracket 3 4 7. 3 4 7. So this is the method to count and write 200 through the 399. Now this is a third topic, that is counting and writing 400 through the 619. Okay, in this whole figure, in this whole topic, we will learn about how to count and write the 400 through the 609. 400 देखि 699 को बीचमा यस्तो फिगर आयो भने चाहिँ कसरी काउन्ट गर्ने भन्ने कुरा हामीले चाहिँ यहाँ सिक्छौं. Okay, look here, as I told you earlier, I am going to repeat this sentence again and again so that you will not forget. Okay, the thing that I have told you earlier, isn't it? So if you will see this type of figure, then there is altogether 100 square. यस्तो टाइपको फिगर देख्नु भयो भने हजुरहरुले त्यहाँ जहिले पनि के हुन्छ? 100 square हुन्छ. Okay, and if you will see this type of figure, then there will be altogether 10 square. And if you will see this type of figure, then you have to count. Okay, because it is so less square. Okay, so you can count by yourself. Now let's count. Look here, how many figure out of 100? So 100 जस्तो देखिने फिगर चाहिँ यहाँ कतिवटा छ? You have to count. So let's count with me. 1 2 3 4 5. Let's count it again. 1 2 3 4 5. So you have to write here 5. Likewise, how many out of tens figure? 1 2 3 4. Again, 1 2 3 4. You have to write here 4. After that, count this ones figure. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this is the way to count and write 400 through the 699. Okay. This is the topic, okay, in which we will learn how to count and write 7 through the 999. यो टपिक मा चाहिँ हामीले के पढ्छौं भन्दा फेरि 700 देखि 999 को बीच मा चाहिँ कसरी काउन्ट गर्ने र राइट गर्ने लेख्ने. Okay, so let's count and write. So look, you can see here the figure. Okay, this is a 100 figure, isn't it? यसलाई हामीले 100 भन्छौं. We will compare. If you will see this type of figure, then you will say that there are altogether 100 square. If you will see this type of figure, there will be 10 square, isn't it, in such type of figure? And if you will see such type of figure, then you have to count, isn't it? This is a ones figure. So let's count how many out of a 100 figure. Okay, so let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So altogether there are 7. So now let's count the figure of tens. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is 4. After that, ones. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here is 6. So you have to write altogether 7, 4, 6, 746. So under this numbers topic, isn't it? Under this unit 2, okay, in this part 1 video, we have learned, or I have taught you how to count and write from 100 through the 999. Hope you have understood. Today only this much. Thank you so much. Okay, it's a homework for you. You have to count and write. As I taught you how to count, isn't it? This is a figure of 100. So you have to count how many of out of 100 figure. Look here, 1, 2, 3. You have to write here 3. Likewise, how many out of tens figure? This is a tens figure, isn't it? 1, 2, 3. You have to write here 3. After that, you have to count this ones figure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to write here 5. After that, altogether how many? 3, 3, 5. So this is a 335. So likewise, this you have to do as I have done in the one number, isn't it? Look at how many out of 100 figure. This is the 100 figure, isn't it? Figure of 100. So you have to count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have to write 6 in this box. Okay, likewise, there is a tens figure. How many out of tens figure? Count it. 1, 2. You have to write here 2. After that, count the ones figure. 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to write here 4. 4, isn't it? And at last, what do you have to do? What is the number that you have written? Obviously, you have written here 6, isn't it? 6, 2, 4. Okay, at last you have to write 6, 2, 4. So this is the homework for you. Okay, I hope you will do it at your home very seriously. Stay safe, stay healthy, and thank you so much for today.